Do you think First Lady Rachel Ruto na President Ruto wana overdo ona niguoka kuri maundu ma mahoya? Uria warwagirira giti gia president on an independent ticket witagwo REUBEN KIGAME ni okiriirio utongoria wa Ruto akiuga wana overdo ona niguoka kuri dini kana maundu ma mahoya guku bururi-ini. Through maundu maingi andikite mwena wa Twitter, KIGAME auga maundu matiagiriire guthie uru iguru rigie ni turahoya kana ni tukuhoya. Akenya ni maubururuka kuria gwa Twitter makiruta mawoni mwanya wona niguoka kuri witikio wa President Ruto, mutimia wake na ginyagia mutimia wa Rigathi wa Gachagua. KIGAME andika auga, I'm a committed Christian who believes in prayer and believe God has helped us this far and we continue to trust him for the future of Kenya. But I hope that issues such as lowering food prices will not be met with State House saying, let's pray about it. Arauga ni Mukristiano wetikitie mahoya na nietikitie ati mahoya ni matukinyitie ginyagia haria tukinyite, akiuga ni aguthie na mbere gwitikia ni undu wa muturire wa hau kabere wa Kenya. But arauga thirikari ndigutumira mahoya gutetera riria maundu matarathi wega, akiruta example ya kugwithia thogora wa irio. Ni athie na mbere kuga ati kanitha yagerire gukorwo gatagati wa maundu mothe niguo kuruta direction kuri bururi, but not ukungwira muthamaki wa bururi na kwaga kumwira ma haria habataire. Arauga, I strongly believe that the church should play a neutral, prophetic, balanced and truthful role in order to provide a true spiritual direction for the country. It should congratulate the king but also be prepared to tell the king that he is naked should he be. So far ndumiriri iyo ya KIGAME ndiwe uramioya atia guka ni mahoya ma bururi kana mahoya maria maratwarithio ni utongoria wa William Ruto. KIGAME ni athie na mbere kuga ndathuire witikio wa Ruto, mutumia wake kana mutumia wa Rigathi no arageria kuiganania maundu mothe. Arauga nobody should imagine that I hate President Ruto, his government or the faith of his first lady or second lady. Actually, Kenya will succeed greatly because of their faith. I promise to keep them accountable and this is part of it. I did the same for previous government. Some Kenyans ni maitororoka kure Twitter, angi makiregana na ndumiriri ya KIGAME, angi magetikerania nayo. While religion has its place, there is how it should be channeled into problem resolution. Joseph was a Christian who saved Egypt from famine through policies. Daniel was involved in the politics of his day and his report was that the kingdom would suffer no shame. Koreno Gyoreto Bobby VJ arauga, we can argue. We can box out about it, but this is the bitter truth wholeheartedly. People don't want to hear. If people think this is just a tweet, then wait for the one that will favor your taste. Prayers without actionable proper direction by the king is completely useless. Dio we deto ici uracioya atia tondu ni ciakana kuria gwa Twitter ni deto iria itukinyeire ihinda riri tuonane in our next video.
Goko niguo Gikuyu Community News. Make sure no subscribe niguo kamenya gwatinda atia gwake atia na gwatuka atia tikungi niguo Gikuyu Community News. Subscribe.